What is tokenization in FinTech?
The tokenization is a security process used in financial technology to protect payment information. Instead of storing sensitive card numbers, tokenization replaces them with a unique code known as a token. These tokens hold no meaningful value on their own, making it much harder for hackers to steal or misuse payment data during transactions.
How tokens replace card data?
When you enter your card details online, the information is sent to a secure server. That server generates a random token, a string of characters unrelated to your actual card number. The token is then used in place of your real card data for all further processing, keeping your information hidden from merchants and payment systems.
Why tokens block hackers?
If hackers intercept payment systems, they may access only the token, not your real card information. Since tokens are meaningless outside the secure system that issued them, even if stolen, they cannot be reused for unauthorized purchases. This approach minimizes risk and helps keep your financial data safe from theft.
Tokenization versus encryption.
That's it. Encryption scrambles real data so only authorized parties can decode it, but it can be reversed with the right key. Tokenization eliminates the sensitive data altogether. Tokens aren't mathematically related to your real information and can't be decrypted. This makes tokenization particularly effective in preventing payment information theft in financial transactions.
Tokenization in everyday payments.
Many common payment apps and digital wallets use tokenization. When you pay with a smartphone or online, your real card details are never shared with the merchant. Instead, a token handles the transaction, providing a crucial layer of security and reducing vulnerability to data breaches in the world of FinTech.